Welcome to Yoga for You, a channel tailored to helping you discover your very own unique yoga practice.
Hi guys, welcome back to Yoga for You. My name's Amanda, and this is going to be a really short video about spinal undulations, kind of like that feel-good practice that you need either after a long day or before bed or just waking up. Honestly, it can be done anytime. So, and before we get started, this video is sponsored by YOGO, a traveling yoga mat company. Go ahead and click the link below for more info. All right, from here, come into child's pose. My favorite way to start class, clearly. So bring your toes together, sit your hips back, any distance between the knees is fine, and then bring your arms forward. You can rest your forehead down. Tune into that breath. Good. So back bends can feel intimidating. Even just the mention of word back bend can be like a lot for someone to take in. So today it's really just about feeling fluidity with your spine and linking that with breath. So today I want you to think of it as like a pranayama practice, so breath control practice, linked with sensual, feel-good movements to loosen up your spine and wake the body up. So we're going to start with that breath. If you can, you're going to start breathing in and out through the nose. Each breath, see if you can elongate the inhales. And exhale out slowly at that same length. Continue with that breath. Inhales and exhales match. Good. And from here, taking that breath into movement, inhale, rise up to hands and knees. And then exhale, bring your hands under your shoulders. Inhale into cow pose, drop the belly, lift your heart. Exhale, cat pose, round. Good. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Nice. We're going to add to that. So you're going to inhale here. Exhale, shift back for child's pose. Keep your gaze forward, walk your hands out in front of you. So we're going to keep our hands here the whole time as we move. Oh, as far forward as you can get them, plug the shoulders back in. Now inhale, ride with the breath into a cat pose. And as you exhale, the belly's going to soften towards the floor into cow pose and slink it back into child's pose. Good. So rounding again as you inhale. Exhale. Good. So continue with your breath. And after you can, I know you'll look maybe at the TV or the screen to just kind of see what it looks like in my body, but once you get a feel for that, just tune in with your body, your breath. Let the breath and your body tell you what it needs and what feels good. See if you can connect with that intelligence. A few more. Keep going. One more. Nice. Now from here, inhale back up to hands and knees. Slide the hands under the shoulders again. Good. And from here, you're gonna inhale, then exhale, bring your right shoulder and your right hip towards one another, so making a sideward, like a C shape with the body. Inhale back to center, and then exhale to the other side. So this is helping with lateral movements, going back and forth with your breath. And just for now, I want you to get a feel of the mechanics of this. One more other side. Good. Now we're gonna put it all together. So our cat-cows with those sideways movements. You're gonna inhale, drop the belly, lift your heart. And then start to take it to one side, doesn't matter which. And as you exhale, you're rounding into that cat position. And then inhaling into the side, into cow pose. Exhale. There's not really any rules. That's kind of why it's hard for me to communicate how to do this. But really, usually those inhales feel like heart openers and the exhales feel like contracting the front of the body. But just again, let the breath guide the movement. Don't worry about how perfect it's supposed to look or if you're doing it right. But again, just let the fluidity happen naturally. If you haven't already, go ahead and switch sides. And on your next inhale, come to a neutral spine. Exhale, child's pose. Give yourself a moment. Stretch long through the spine. Just feel the effects of that movement. I really encourage that if you don't want to stop, don't stop. Keep going. And either listen to the sound of your breath or put some music on and allow the movement to just happen spontaneously. Always breathing, letting that breath become this animating force that sparks creativity in you. And then whenever you're finished, ground in child's pose or shavasana to feel the effects. Even the transition, going from movement to stillness, is invaluable. Whenever you're ready, start to roll up. Again, do this whenever. Some of those movements you might already know. It's nice to practice together, of course, so come back to this video at any time. Do it before practice or after. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Namaste.